Shares of plane maker Boeing fell 5% on Thursday. Investors sold off after an Air India 787-8 Dreamliner aircraft crashed in India's western city of Ahmedabad. Officials said more than 200 people on board the London-bound plane were killed. It was not immediately clear what caused the crash. It posed a major setback for Boeing and the Dreamliner jet's safety record. The wide-body 787 models had never had a fatal crash until Thursday's incident. It could also affect Boeing's efforts to rebuild trust related to safety under new CEO Kelly Ortberg. Boeing said in a statement it was aware of initial reports and was working to gather more information. The company has faced years of scrutiny and delays over its narrow-body 737 MAX jets. They were grounded for years following 2 fatal crashes.